Peter, if video games are coded in C++ for performance, why does Unity use C#?
Unity uses C# because it prioritizes developer productivity. It's safer and easier to use than C++ thanks to garbage collection, simpler syntax, and fewer memory issues like null pointers. It also enables much faster iteration since you can test changes without full recompilation.
Well, that all makes sense, but still, aren't games supposed to be highly optimized? Wouldn't using C# disqualify Unity for any serious project?
Good question. Unity is still highly performant because its core systems like rendering, physics calculations, and audio processing are implemented directly in native C++. Moreover, Unity uses something called IL2CPP, Unity's custom compiler which turns your C# code into an intermediate language and then translates it into optimized native C++ code, so the final performance of Unity games often closely matches that of purely native C++ projects.
Impressive. But what about mobile and web games? Android primarily uses Java or Kotlin, iOS uses Swift, and web games rely on JavaScript, right?
Correct, but both iOS and Android fully support native C++ code execution. For web-based games, Unity compiles C++ into WebAssembly, a low-level binary instruction format designed to run code efficiently in web browsers.
Amazing. But then why would someone even choose other game engines like Unreal or Godot?
Well, Unity does have its trade-offs compared to engines like Unreal or Godot. Unreal Engine provides developers with deeper low-level access, more fine-grained memory management, and explicit control over CPU and GPU resources, all through direct C++ scripting. Godot, meanwhile, is entirely open source, whereas Unity requires a paid license once your revenue surpasses a certain threshold.
Still, it's absolutely remarkable that I can write C#, and Unity seamlessly translates it into so many languages and platforms automatically.
Exactly. Love it or hate it, Unity's internal architecture is genuinely impressive from a technical standpoint.